Good morning everyone. Today I will explain about advanced feature of Excel. Formatting chart title. Enhance the visual appearance of the chart title and chart legend by using various formatting techniques. Assign titles to the X and Y axis that clarify labels and numeric values for the reader. Apply labels and formatting techniques to the data series in the plot area of chart. There are two ways to format a chart title, method 1, method 2. See the image. Method 1. Click on the chart title to select it. Click on the chart title button in the labels group on the layout tab. A drop down menu will appear. Select the more title option and the format chart title dialog box appears. Now we can format your chart title using the available option. Method 2. Right click on the chart title, select the format chart title option from the shortcut menu. The format chart title dialog box appears. We can modify your chart title using various formatting options available in this dialog box. Formatting the chart. That means formatting the axis. An axis is the side of a chart that contains the values according to which a chart is plotted. When a bar chart for a column chart is created, it has an x-axis and y-axis. We can, however, customize the scale to meet your needs and requirements. See the image? Follow these steps. Click on the chart to select it. Point the mouse at y-axis, right click on it and select format axis option from the shortcut menu. The format axis dialog box will open. The axis option tab is selected by default. Click on the fixed option from minimum and enter 20 in the text box. Similarly, enter 200 in the maximum text box. Click on the close button. The chart will display the various between 20 and 200. Formatting legend. How can you format legend? First, you know what is legend. Legend is a box that identifies the pattern or color assigned to a data series in a chart. It helps in reading the chart accurately. Legend mostly appear on the right side of a chart. We can place them anywhere in a chart areas as per your choice. See the image? Follow these steps. We can format text, background, boundary and color of a legend. Right click on the legend boundary and select format legend option. The format legend dialog box will appear. Select the border style tab. Click on the dash type drop down list and select any style. Define the thickness of the borders style in the breadth field using up and down arrows. Click on the border color tab and select solid line option. Choose the desired column. To position the legend on the chart, click on the legend option tab. Select the bottom radio button. Click on close. The legend will be placed at the bottom of the chart. Formatting data series. How can you format data series? First, you know what is data series. We can format a data series by changing the bar, colors, lines, slices and shifting their position. See the image? Follow these steps. Right click on the data series. Format data series option from the shortcut menu. The format data series dialog box will be appear. Click on the border style tab. Select dash type and breadth of the border as per your requirement. Click on the field tab. Choose the picture field option. Click on the texture drop down button and select any texture from the displayed choices. Click on the shadow tab and select the desired format from presets drop down menu. Click on the close button. Thank you.